I put different program on white and different program for black, and but it's still washing it.
Get graceful shit. And then come out to the drain. Just have to pull these out. So fully push it. Open that. Don't open that. And then, okay, I'm draining that up.